Welcome to the TRX back, bicep, and tricep burn with a fabulous finisher. The first exercise is continuous consecutive reps descending. Proper form has to be maintained during the repetitions with legs perpendicular to the ground, arms perpendicular to the TRX band, holding a tabletop position. I begin with flies, continuous, no pauses for the reps. Then I go into bicep curls as shown here with a twist and pulling back. No pauses, continuous reps, full extension. I repeat this 3 times for 3 rounds. The first round, it is whatever I think I can handle for continuous, no pauses, for a max set, and then I drop 2 less, and finally 2 less than that. So I go 6, 4, and 2 for this continuous first exercise challenge, which builds mass and a major burn in specific muscle groups. Now, when I'm not doing the reps, I can kind of rest and slouch a little bit, but I have to maintain the position. I have to get really strict, though, when I start up my reps and really hold a flat back, legs parallel or perpendicular to the ground, and arms perpendicular to the bands. My goal is to really feel an incredible burn and get some fatigue into those muscles. It should be a short routine, but a very effective routine. Moving right into part 2 of the routine.
In order 6, 4, and 2.
This part is strictly burning up the triceps. So my body's straight, I'm at a diagonal, I'm on the balls of my feet or my toes. The reps are controlled with really great form. Just basically bending the arms and extending them. And then I'm gonna go to one arm. When I do the one side, I do the other. And again, 3 rounds, descending reps each time, starting with 6, then 4, then 2.
those. Here we go. 2. I do one more for good measure. And I'm on my tiptoes too for these. Here we go. Last 2. 1, 2. I'll do one more for good measure. 3.
The finisher. So whatever I started with on exercises 1 and 2, that first number, the maximum number, the largest number, which was 6, I got to do that in this exercise. So it's 6 slow and controlled, 1 leg tabletop pull-ups, and I count 6 seconds to go up, 6 seconds to hold, 6 seconds to come down, to end with a really awesome full body burn. This is the TRX band back, bicep, and tricep burn. Effective, fast, under 10 minutes. Burn it up, woo, and fill it the rest of the day and even maybe the next day. In a good way though. A way that you know you worked out those muscles and you are stronger. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.